The Saudi warplanes raided on Friday a popular market in Khawkha governorate in Yemen's Hadida province, claiming 22 martyrs and 10 wounding, according to the initial tolls. 4 air raids in various areas in Yemen's Nahm city were also launched by the Saudi warplanes. Amnesty International has corroborated new evidence the Saudi Arabia-led coalition recently fired Brazilian-manufactured rockets containing banned cluster munitions, striking 3 residential areas and surrounding farmland in the middle of Sada city, injuring 2 civilians and causing material damage.